Hey everyone, this is Chase, Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the Polisport Restyling Kit for the Yamaha YZ125 and 250. All right everyone, thanks for checking in. If you have a 2014 and older YZ125 or 250 and you're looking to give your bike a facelift, give it that newer modern look, the Restyling Kit from Polisport is the best way to do that. We've used these on a lot of bikes here at Rocky Mountain, including this YZ250 I have right here behind me, which belongs to one of our employees. You can see he's got a full custom attack graphics kit. Not too long ago, we did a really cool bike build for a YZ250. A rider here, he bought one that was extremely clapped out, and we rebuilt that thing from the bottom to the top. We used the Restyling Kit. That bike looks awesome. It's a fun video to watch, so make sure to go check that out. But in any case, if you want to give your bike a facelift, the best way to do it. Now there's 5 color options available. There's the original, which I have on the table, which is the blue and white. There's also a black, an all white, a flow yellow, and a flow gray. Now here's what comes included when you pick up one of these kits. You're gonna get your front fender, you're gonna get your radiator scoops, front number plate, side cover, and an airbox, which is cool. You don't have to buy an OEM airbox, it will come with your kit. You also get a rear fender. Now a couple things I do wanna point out. When you are looking at the different color options, you will notice that for the original, the all white, and the black, there's a 19 front fender option. If you like the look of the newer front fenders on the YZ250F and the 450F, the 4-stroke bikes, then you can get that front fender in those colorways. So you'll see that in the drop down when you're selecting the color that you're gonna want. I also do want to point out that with the front fender, you do have to drill holes in this to get that to match up with the screws or with the holes that you have on your bike. So the easiest way to do that is just take the front fender you have on your bike right now, lay it right over the top of your new fender, drill holes right through there, simple process, you're gonna be good to go. And lastly, I do want to point out that the Nardo Gray and the Flow Yellow are the only 2 kits or colors that do come with lower fork guards. So if you do need lower fork guards and you're buying one of the other color options that I didn't mention, then you'll need to pick those up separately, but we do have those available on our website. So one more time, if you got a 2014 or older YZ125 or 250, you want to give it a facelift, best option, Restyling Kit from Polisport. If you have questions or comments, we want to get those answered. And to grab one of these for yourself, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They're bike specific, so just enter the make, model, and the year, and you are going to be good to go. If you like this video, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, and also remember, check out that YZ250 build that we did. You do not want to miss it. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.